Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through my 10K trading plan. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the steps to go from nothing to 10K per month. This is the exact formula, step by step you need to follow. Click on the button above that says 10K trading plan and get access now. Alright, hey traders, market update time. Let's have a quick look at the indexes with the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones has been pretty much it's been holding here. It held this. This is the 20-day moving average. You can see how it held here, and we've just been bouncing up. We still are struggling to break above that high there. We almost got to the 20,000 level. So Dow Jones almost hit the 20,000 level. What was the high? 19,999.63. So Dow Jones almost hit the 20,000 mark. We see that this whole resistance point through here for me is still very key for me. So if I bring up my trend lines here, if I'm looking at my daily chart, it's this point through here, and then I'm seeing this point through here. So it's like a bit of a triangle pattern. Where is this going to break out? If we do get a break up and out, that's going to start to increase volatility in that. If we break down, then that's going to increase volatility to the downside. So looking at this, you can see it's just been, it's forming a nice triangle pattern. So it depends on where it breaks down. If it does break down or even break up, where is it likely to go? So we do this whole thing through here. That's the starting point through there. If it breaks up and out, if it does break up and out, it's likely to get to probably around there on a minimum basis anyway, that is, which is, what is that? That's around, so 20,000, that's around, at least 2,500, which is, like a 2 or 3% move to the high side. But it's only a small triangle pattern. But if it does break down, then we could get a pretty fast drop down towards there as well too. I'd say a bit lower. So, but looking very bullish right now. Do we break up or do we break out? The next bar for me, or the breakout, is generally going to be the direction it's going to go for at least that week anyway. So really interesting to see what's happening on the Dow Jones there, guys. The S&P actually closed back above this level through here. But as you can see, guys, if I draw my trend line, same with the Dow Jones, you can see. So if I draw my trend lines from there to there, you can see how it's been squeezing up through there. And now what are we getting? We've been getting a whole bunch of error resistance. So the theme through here as well too, guys, as you can see, let me bring up say 3 months worth of data. You can see how it's been resisting, and now it's resisting still at this whole overall major high level up there. So do we continue up and break up and out? If so, do we continue breaking up and out of this level through here? If so, it's going to be a very bullish move. We just closed back above, the highest it has for, basically, yeah. So yesterday was the highest, or on Friday was the highest close for the S&P. It's done, all-time new high on the S&P. Especially for the last couple of years as well too. So we can see that there on the S&P. Do we keep following through or do we not? Does the volatility keep breaking up from there? So really interesting to see what's going on through there, guys. Nasdaq is also an interesting one. We've got this whole, again, we've got this whole very similar pattern through there. This one's actually channeling more than anything else, as you can see. So you can see we've got like a bit of a channel going through there. So do we run up towards the top of this channel, or do we hold here? Nasdaq's looking very bullish, breaking up to all-time new highs again. So Nasdaq is looking really strong once again. Let's go have a look at. Let's just have a look at a couple of the. Russells. Or the Russell, Russell again Russell is looking strong as well too. The Russell 3000 is looking a lot stronger now, breaking up, lots of volume there on Friday, and but the Russell 3000 is actually failing through here. So we actually ran up. You can see we ran up, and now we're starting to fail through there. So Russell 2000 is looking a lot weaker. Let me just quickly show you the weekly chart, guys, for what I see on the overall weekly charts here. This is the weekly chart of the Dow Jones. You can see we've been in this big channel for quite some time, and this is where we're having a lot of problems, which is this top trend line here. So do we break up and out of this, or is this a resistance before we just get a nice pullback, and then maybe we break out from there? That's why guys, the next move is likely to be the move, and if we do break down, then we could see we could see on the Dow Jones, we could probably even get a drop down towards the 19,000 level, so probably at 1,000 point drop, and that may happen even pretty quickly. Looking onto the S&P weekly chart, guys, you can see that it's not even at the top of the channel, so it has a lot more room to run compared to the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones has been the most bullish index out of there. And looking at the Nasdaq, you can see we're in like this sort of a megaphone type pattern. It's been running up through there and running down through there. So we still are at that overall resistance level on here, guys. But it's just really interesting to see where is this going to break out to and what's going to happen there. So the question, guys, is what's next? And so for me, I'm waiting for a good decent breakout bar. Do we get a nice solid breakout bar to the high side or the downside? Whatever happens, that's the direction I'm going to follow through with that. At least for the next say 7 to 14 days anyway. So there we go, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.